Set your home page and startup page. You can customize Chrome browser to open a specific page for your home page and startup page. Your home page appears when you click Home. Your startup page appears when you open Chrome browser on your computer. You can have more than one page open. Set your home page. In Chrome browser, at the top right, click More then Settings. Note, if you don't see More, you might need to restart Chrome browser to update it. Go to the Appearance section and next to Show Home button, click Turn On. Choose an option. To specify a custom page, select Enter Custom Web Address and enter a URL. To open a new tab, select New Tab Page. Set your startup page. Click More and then Settings. In the On Startup section, choose an option, select Open the new tab page to have a new tab open. Select Continue where you left off to have the last open tabs appear. Select Open a specific page or a set of pages and specify the page or pages you want to open. To remove or edit a page, next to it, click More and then Edit or Remove. Click Add a new page to add another page. Click Use Current Page to use the page you have open.